The most important thing for you early in the morning to sit at altar to do your meditations. So every yogi, they have to have that fire within. I am waiting for my next morning. I am waiting for my next morning. I am waiting for my next morning. With such kind of a hunger, if you can sleep, then every morning will be a wonderful thing. You will be just waiting for that time. There is no other thing in your head. When you are filled with so many other things before you go to bed, then for sure that morning will also begins with the same energy only, with the same confusion only. For that I said, please, before you are going to bed, you have to turn off from your outer worldly things. Tell to yourself, it is end. Now it is my time. All those experiences, what all it is finito. Now it's me, it's only me. Now I have to look after my health. Now I have to look after my body. Now I have to prepare myself to go to bed. So you prepare that time. And before going to bed also I said, be thankful, give your pranams, make a little prayer, a little meditation also is good. Then go on bed and consciously fall into sleep. How many inhale and exhales you can count? Practice that. When you are lying on your bed, it is a prana which you are taking through inhale, isn't it? It's not just an oxygen. It's a prana, it's an energy which is coming inside. So the place where you are sleeping, that environment, everything have to be very comfortable to you. So create that place in such a way, because there you are going to rest. There you are going to recharge also with a wonderful sleep, isn't it? And let some fresh air also there. And then once you are lying on the bed, then that state you must witness. Consciously witness that state, that now I am falling into sleep. Now my body is going to take a rest. Now I am taking my steps towards to that astral state, energy state. So for that, the key is my breathing. The key is my willpower too. So I will just lie down. I take a deep inhale, a deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. How many I can take? How many consciously I can count? 10, 20, 50, 100, 200? Let's see. There you need your willpower. Don't get tired. If you get tired, you will fall in sleep. Consciously count that. Without your senses, without your mind's experiences only, you will step into that astral state. You will become like an energy. Your body will be long back only, will be in sleep, but consciously you will experience that state. That's how the conscious sleep is. That sleep, even if you sleep for 3-4 hours also, it will be very powerful. Such a state is a wonderful experience. That's why in our yogi philosophy, in our yogi life also, I'm telling, sleep good means sleep consciously. That conscious state of sleep is very much required for a yogi. Practice. Because you are doing that for the next day in the morning, so that you can sit at altar. That is a recharge. That is the real investment what you are doing to keep your inner system healthy. The health is the real wealth. Your body and your mind, if they are in a healthy state, that is most important. So you must invest on that, your positive energies, your willpower, your meditation, your focus, everything, every day you are investing to keep your system healthy. That's how you will become powerful and clear.